Total kansaya na 236 violador de Comelec gun ban de se implementa con el ley ta prohibir liba o carga pusil durante el election period. Asigun con Police Senior Superintendent Rogelio Alabata, el portavoz del Police Regional Office 9, 220 diferente pusilya confisca al pulis, 61 bolo y cuchillo, 15 granada y 2,255 mga bala. Na 236 violador, 112 puede man-file el pulis el propio kaso na korte y 115 ta prepara pa lang el kaso para man-file na korte.
A total of 236 persons, no? Comelec gun ban violators in Zamboanga Peninsula, and 220 firearms were confiscated from them, no? In Zamboanga Norte, we have 31 arrested persons and 31 also confiscated firearms. In Zamboanga del Sur, we have 38 arrested persons and 49 confiscated firearms. In Zamboanga Sibugay, we have 59, no? Arrested person and 59 arrested firearms, confiscated firearms. And Zamboanga City, we have number in Zamboanga City of 108 arrested persons and 81 firearms were confiscated from them.
Asigun con el portavoz del Police Regional Office 9, mas intensipika sila aural Comelec checkpoints kay 2 semana lang eleksyon niya. Mientras tanto, yanunsya también el pulis kay Chenia el total de 605 mga pusil aura na kustodia del Philippine National Police, donde yaman deposit con este el mga local government units na Region 9, donde 104 aquí deposita na Zamboanga del Norte Provincial Police Office, 95 na Zamboanga del Sur PPO, 43 na Sibugay, 284 na Ciudad de Zamboanga.
Any action, no? To convince the LGU to deposit their firearms to the PNP, no? Sa local police in that areas, no? So, it so happens successful